Hello student, in this section let us talk about the terminology of gear. The terminology include the number of terms peculiar to the gears and it forms the basis of the gear language. Let us see one by one. Pinion. A pinion is a smaller of the two mating gears. Gear is larger of the two mating gears. Pitch circle. It is the curve of intersection of the pitch surface of the revolution and the plane of rotation. Pitch circle diameter. The pitch circle diameter is the diameter of the pitch circle. The size of the gear is usually specified by the pitch circle diameter. It is also called pitch diameter. Next is top land. The top land is the surface of the top of the gear tooth. Bottom land is the surface of the gear between the flanks of the adjacent teeth. Base circle. It is an imaginary circle from which the involute curve of the tooth profile is generated. The base circles of two mating gears are tangent to the pressure line. Next is addendum circle. It is an imaginary circle that borders the top of the gear teeth in the cross section. Next is addendum. It's denoted by HA. The addendum is a radial distance between the pitch and the addendum circles. Addendum indicates the height of the tooth above the pitch circle. Dedendum circle. It is an imaginary circle that borders the bottom of the spaces between the teeth in the cross section. It is also called the root circle. Next is dedendum. The dedendum, denoted by HF, is the radial distance between the pitch and the dedendum circles. The dedendum indicates the depth of the tooth below the pitch circle. Next is clearance, denoted by C. The clearance is the amount by which the dedendum of a gear teeth exceeds the addendum of its mating tooth. Next, the face of the tooth. The surface of the gear tooth between the pitch cylinder and the addendum cylinder is called the face of the tooth. Next, flank of a tooth. The surface of the gear tooth between the pitch cylinder and the root cylinder is called flank of the tooth. Next is face width, denoted by B. The face width is the width of the tooth measured parallel to the axis. Next is pressure angle and is denoted by alpha. The pressure angle is the angle which the line of action makes with the common tangent to the pitch circles. The pressure angle is also called the angle of obliquity. Next is contact ratio. The number of pairs of the teeth that are simultaneously engaged is called contact ratio. Pitch circle. The pitch circle is the distance measured along the pitch circle between two similar points on adjacent teeth. It is denoted by P and is defined as the ratio of pi d upon z, where z is called as the number of teeth. Diametral pitch, denoted by capital P. It is the ratio of number of teeth to the pitch circle diameter. That is, mathematically it is written as P is equal to Z upon D. The next one is module. The module is denoted by M and is defined as the inverse of diametral pitch. So mathematically M is equal to 1 upon P or D upon Z, or we can write down D is equal to M into Z. So these are the various terminologies related to the gear tooth. Thank you.